What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be playing a prank on my sister. I got my hand wet. I'm gonna go with a little more wet. Let me hide this. You guys. There. See good enough. Okay. Just 1 second. What, Dad? Okay, 1 second. Layla, come here, please. I just need her. You can't say anything, so you're okay. Layla, come here, please. What? We'll be playing a prank on my dad. Our dad. The camera's set up right there. Okay. This.
What am I doing?
It's a prank! It's water.
Stop.
What?
Oh, what are you gonna call him in for first?
No, that was the prank, Layla. To prank you.
Dude.
I hope you guys have enjoyed this quick film for today. Please like, subscribe. See you guys later. Peace.